We're looking at homework from section 2.2. This is question number 10. Use a stem and leaf plot that has 2 rows for each stem to display the data, which represent the income in millions of 30 of the highest paid athletes. Describe any patterns. So we're going to build an unordered stem and leaf plot. We need to identify the minimum and the maximum data values. The maximum I see here is 88. The minimum is 34. So I'm going to need stems that range from 3 to 8. But we're going to put 2 stems for each one of these numbers because that's what the problem asked for. So I'm going to need 2 3s, 2 4s, 2 5s, 2 6s, 2 7s, and 2 8s. Now we're going to put the data on our stem and leaf plot. We'll start with 35. The question is, which 3 does it go on? For the 2-stem variety of a stem and leaf plot, the first stem will have leaves between 0 and 4. The second stem will have leaves from 5 to 9. So because the leaf in 35 is 5, that 5 will go on the second 3. For 36, the 6 goes on the second 3. In 44, the 4 goes on the first 4. 50 goes on the first 5. 35 on the second 3. Then 44, 43, 81, 53, 38, 56, 56, 66, 46, 63, 73, 34, 38, 85, 34, 46, 37, 76, 45, 34, 53, 41, 42, 45, and 88. So that's the unordered stem and leaf plot. To put it in order, we're going to rearrange each row so that those values go from least to greatest. So the ordered version would look like this. And you can see that each row of the plot has been rearranged. So once we've got that plot, we can answer some questions. What best describes the data? Are most of the income less than $60 million? That seems like the right answer, but let's look at the other ones. Most incomes between $50 and $70 million? There are only 7 values that fall into that category. The incomes are evenly spread between 30 and 90 million? And the answer is no. There's quite a few that are near 30 million, but not very many that are close to 90 million. And most of the incomes are greater than 60 million is our last choice, but that's only 5 of the data values on this stem and leaf plot. So the correct answer here is choice A. And that's your answer.